This week I am testing the Honda Civic Hatch. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the Honda Civic Hatch there are Isofix in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, they're behind a flap of the seat base fabric that are nice and easy to connect to. Now there are top tether anchorages for all three rear seats. The central one is in the boot floor and the outer seats are on the back of their seat backs. And they're nice and easy to access through the boot. Now I could fit two Infosecure child seats in the back here. I didn't find there was room for a third in the middle. The seats are quite sculpted, so that is a consideration too. Now legroom was pretty good. With a rear facing child seat we could fit a 184cm passenger in front of it. To learn more about the child seats used in this review, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the Honda Civic Hatch is quite minimal. There's a fold down in the central seat back that's got two different size cup holders. They'll hold a water bottle and a disposable or a reusable coffee cup. There's a single mat pocket on the back of the front passenger seat that will hold and conceal an iPad, and the door bins are a good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and you've got storage handle wells too. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box in the Honda Civic Hatch, which is great for little passengers in the back to keep them exactly the right climate while you're driving along. Storage in the front is good. There are two cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and behind them is a good size central console box with a little tray in the top. There's a wireless phone charging pad in front of the gear lever, and the glove box is a good size in here. That will hold my iPad and wallet with the manual. The door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and a wallet or iPad fits too, and there's little storage wells in the handles as well. The boot door of the Honda Civic Hatch opens really nice and easily and quietly. I do like the retractable roller blind in here. It comes from the side of the boot, and when you're not using it, it's really nice and easily stored away. Let's find out how much you can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 13 shopping bags, or a twin pram and 1 shopping bag, a tandem pram and 5 shopping bags, a single pram and 4 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The Honda Civic Hatch is a good car to drive. It is lovely and smooth, and visibility is actually really good out of the back, especially that rear view camera is really good too. Now one thing I've noticed this model doesn't have is the indicator camera, which it used to have, which was fantastic. So when you put the indicator on, the camera will come up in the media screen. So I have missed that in this model. Now it's quite a small car, so parking and driving around town and manoeuvring is nice and simple. The media system in the Honda Civic Hatch is really nice and basic and simple to navigate and use. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is good. When you put it into reverse, the camera image fills the whole screen, and you do have different angles you can view from too, and it's got a lovely wide viewing point too. So to sum up with the Honda Civic Hatch, it is a nice little 5-seater car. I could only fit those two Infosecure child seats in the back though, but a twin pram does fit in the boot. It's a nice car to drive, and the media system is good too.